Hello students, myself Dr. A.K. Shukla. My good wishes with you for your happiness and fitness. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today we are going to start your class 11th business study. Under this subject there is a first chapter given, evolution and fundamental of business. Under this chapter there is a first topic I have written, human activities. There is a first topic I have written, human activities, मानवीय क्रियाएं. We will first understand what is meaning of human activities. So human activity means such type activities which are performed by human being to fulfill their requirement, to fulfill their basic needs. मानवीय क्रियाओं में उन सभी क्रियाओं को शामिल किया जाता है जो व्यक्ति के द्वारा अपनी आवश्यकताओं को पूरा करने के लिए किए जाते हैं. And when we are going to perform their activities, so there are mainly two type activities. First is economic activities and second is non-economic activities. So please, human activities classified into two parts. One is economic activities, and second is non-economic activities. We have categorized human activities into two parts, human activities and non-economic activities and non-economic activities. So first we will learn what is economic activities. So economic activities refers to such type activities, you can note down, it refers to such type activities which are conducting for, it refers to such type activity which are conducting for earning money. Okay, it refers to such type activities which are conducting for earning money. इसमें उन सभी क्रियाओं को शामिल किया जाता है जो पैसा कमाने के उद्देश्य से किया जाता है. such as purchasing and selling of goods and services, doing legal practices, and working in any factory, etc. So once again we are repeating, it refers to such type activities which are conducting for earning money, such as purchasing and selling to goods and services, doing legal practices, and working in any factory. Here we can underline the word which are focusing in three type economic activities. One is purchasing and selling, टू के प्लेस पर ऑफ यू कैन राइट, इट्स मोर सुटेबल. Purchasing and selling of goods and services. Second, doing legal practices. Third, working in any factory. So first we will clear, then we will go to the next topic. What is economic activities? आर्थिक क्रिया क्या है? आर्थिक क्रिया से उन सभी क्रियाओं से है जिसमें पैसे कमाने से संबंधित क्रियाओं को शामिल किया जाता है, जैसे वस्तु एवं सेवाओं का क्रय विक्रय करना, विभिन्न प्रकार के पेशेवर क्रियाओं को करना और किसी फैक्ट्री में किसी पद पर कार्य करना, नौकरी करना, जॉब करना. So it refers to such type activities which are conducting for earning money in the form of purchasing and selling of goods services by doing legal practices and working in any factory. So come to the underline points. Whatever we have underlined, purchasing and selling of goods and services. This is related. This is first. You can maintain first. So purchasing and selling of goods and services, in which there is a first business related to business. Second, come to the second, doing legal practices. किसमें आता है? Profession. Doing legal practices related to profession. And third, working any factory related to, थर्ड यहां पर भी नोट, यहां पर भी मेंटेन कर लें, यहां पर एम्प्लॉयमेंट. क्या होगा? एम्प्लॉयमेंट. सो when we are going to categorize economic activity, so on the basis of their wording, on the basis of their keyword, we can classify that economic activity there are mainly three types. One is business, second is profession, and third is employment. Now we are going to discuss in a detail what is types of economic activities. So there is a three types. First is business, second is profession, and third is employment. There are three category. One is business, second is profession, and third is employment. Economic activities, I hope it's clear. Economic activities refers to such type activities which are conducting for earning money. And economic activities mainly there are three. First is business, second is profession, and third is employment. So first we will learn what is meaning of business. So please you can note down, business refers to such type economic activities under which purchasing, producing, and selling of goods and services for earning profit. Once again, business refers to such economic activities which are conducting under which we are going to producing, purchasing, and selling of goods and services for earning profit. व्यवसाय से आशय उन सभी आर्थिक क्रियाओं से है जिसमें वस्तुओं का क्रय, उत्पादन और विक्रय किया जाता है तथा जिसका उद्देश्य लाभार्जन किया जाता है, जिसका उद्देश्य लाभ कमाना होता है. So business means such type activities which are going to different economic activities under which producing, purchasing, and selling of goods and services for earning profit. So this is the meaning of business. Next, profession. Profession refers to such type economic activities under which a person have required a special knowledge and skill. Profession refers to such economic activities under which a person have required special knowledge and skill for the service motive. You can compare now. Business, the motive is earning profit, but the profession for service motive. Here we are also going to earn money, but we are not going to earn profit. यहाँ पर हम पैसा कमाएंगे लेकिन लाभ नहीं कमाएंगे. So our major motive in the business, earn profit. Here major motive is give the service to the society. So once again, profession refers to such type economic activities under which a person have required special knowledge and skill for service motive, for the service of the society, for fulfill the responsibility of the society. Now come to the third, employment. Employment also refers such type economic activities under which a person works for other. A person works for other and get a remuneration for a specific time. Employment refers to such economic activities under which a person works for others and get remuneration for a specific time. रोजगार, हिंदी में रोजगार से आशय उन सभी आर्थिक क्रियाओं से है जिसमें एक व्यक्ति दूसरे के लिए कार्य करता है, जिसमें वो एक निश्चित समय के लिए पारिश्रमिक प्राप्त करता है। रोजगार से आशय उन सभी आर्थिक क्रियाओं से है जिसमें एक व्यक्ति दूसरे के लिए कार्य करता है, एक संबंध के अनुसार कार्य करता है और वो एक निश्चित समय के लिए पारिश्रमिक प्राप्त करता है। पैसे से आशय एक ऐसे आर्थिक क्रिया से है जिसमें किसी व्यक्ति को पैसे की शुरुआत करने के लिए विशेष ज्ञान एवं कौशल की आवश्यकता होती है, जिसमें व्यक्ति सामाजिक उद्देश्य के लिए, समाज के उद्देश्य के लिए पैसे की शुरुआत करता है। व्यवसाय से आशय ऐसी आर्थिक क्रिया से है जिसमें वस्तुओं का उत्पादन, क्रय और विक्रय किया जाता है तथा जिसका उद्देश्य लाभ कमाना होता है। सो आई होप all things are clear. Business, purchasing, producing and selling of goods and services for earning profit. Profession, a person have required special knowledge and skill for service motive, for service of the society. Employment, a person work for others and get remuneration for a specific time. Here main keywords I am going to mention. You can see here what is first keywords related to business: producing, purchasing and selling of goods and services, and second profit motive. There are mainly two keywords whatever I have given the meaning: उत्पादन, क्रय और विक्रय वस्तु एवं सेवाओं का, और किस उद्देश्य से? Profit. Okay. Now second, profession. A person required special knowledge and skill for service motive. Under the profession there are mainly two keywords. First is person required special knowledge and skill. If a person want to start the profession, certainly the person have required special knowledge related that particular field and skill means training. Next, service motive. When he or she want to start the profession, he or she can start, but their major motive should be service motive, service of the society. Next, there is a next thing, employment, works for others. For specific time. Under the profession there are main two keywords: works for others. Works for others means दूसरों के लिए काम करना, and get remuneration. Remuneration related to two word, wages and salary. When we are going remuneration, it will include two word, wages and salary. Specific time, whatever there is a contract between employer and employee, so according their contract there will be pre-decided time, and whatever time I have written there specific time. So for a specific time, the person will get the remuneration. So that remuneration will be for what? Work for others. दूसरों के लिए काम करेगा और निश्चित समय के लिए उसे निश्चित वेतन या मजदूरी मिलेगी. So this is the economic activities related to three terms. One is business, second is profession, and third is employment. Now come to the meaning of non-economic activity. So economic activity, once again, please revise. Economic activities refers to such type activities which are conducting for earning money. Is it clear? आर्थिक क्रिया से उन सभी क्रियाओं से जिसमें पैसा कमाने के लिए की जाती हैं. अब इसी को अगर अपोजिट कर दें, पहले तो एक मीनिंग आपको मिल जाएगी. नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज रिफर्स टू ऑल दोज एक्टिविटीज विच मोटिव शुड नॉट बी अर्न मनी, जिसका उद्देश्य कभी भी पैसा कमाना नहीं होगा. तब क्या होगा? सो नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज रिफर्स टू सच टाइप एक्टिविटीज विच आर कंडक्टिंग बाय ह्यूमन बीइंग फॉर देयर मेंटल सेटिस्फैक्शन. यानी मानव द्वारा वो सभी क्रियाएं जो उसके मेंटल सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए, मानसिक संतुष्टि के लिए की जाती हैं, उसे हम किसमें कहते हैं? नॉन इकोनॉमिक, गैर आर्थिक क्रियाएं. सो गैर आर्थिक क्रिया से तात्पर्य उन सभी क्रिया से है जो व्यक्ति अपने संतुष्टि के लिए करता है, जहां पर पैसा कमाना, लाभ कमाना कोई भी इस तरीके का टर्म यूज नहीं होता. सच एज सोशल एक्टिविटीज. सोशल एक्टिविटीज. Next, other religious activities. Okay, social activities, religious activities, सामाजिक गतिविधियां, सामाजिक क्रियाएं. If we are going to give the invitation in any marriage party, यदि किसी शादी समारोह में जाकर के हम वहां पर पैसे देते हैं, वहां पर हम निमंत्रण देते हैं, भेंट देते हैं, गिफ्ट देते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मनी, लेकिन वहां पर हमारा पैसा कमाना या हम रिटर्न पाने के नियत से हमारा जो फोरकास्टिंग होता है ऐसा नहीं होता. हमारा सिर्फ क्या होता है? देयर विल बी मेंटल सेटिस्फैक्शन. मेंटल सेटिस्फैक्शन. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट टर्म वी आर गोइंग टू कंडक्ट सच टाइप एक्टिविटी. सो दिस इज द नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. अदर रिलीजियस एक्टिविटीज, हम कहीं पर चैरिटी देते हैं, कहीं पर डोनेट करते हैं, दैट आल्सो कम्स अंडर द नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. सो नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज क्या है? सच टाइप एक्टिविटीज विच आर कंडक्टिंग फॉर द मेंटल सेटिस्फैक्शन ऑफ द ह्यूमन बीइंग. व्यक्ति के मानसिक संतुष्टि के लिए जो क्रियाएं की जाती हैं उसे हम कौन सी क्रिया कहते हैं? नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज, गैर आर्थिक क्रियाएं. सच एज, यू कैन राइट द एग्जांपल, सोशल एक्टिविटीज, religious activities. Okay, here you can also the example. जॉब ऑफ सुपरवाइजर, जॉब ऑफ मैनेजर, जॉब ऑफ क्लर्क एसेट्रा. कहीं पर हम नौकरी करते हैं वो सभी इसमें आएगा. हियर टीचिंग, मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस, एडवोकेसी, हियर बिजनेस, डिफरेंट टाइप. So business, profession, teaching, medical practice, advocacy, ठीक है, employment, job of supervisor, job of manager, job of clerk, etc. So I hope this thing is clear. One is economic activity and second is non-economic activity, and both comes under the human activity. So human activities एक बार हिंदी में रिवाइज करके, मानवीय क्रियाओं से आसन सभी क्रियाओं से है जो व्यक्ति अपनी जरूरतों को पूरा करने के लिए करता है, जिसमें दो क्रियाएं आती हैं, आर्थिक क्रिया और गैर आर्थिक क्रिया. आर्थिक क्रिया से ऐसी क्रिया से है जिसमें व्यक्ति अपने विभिन्न प्रकार के पैसों को कमाने के लिए करता है। गैर आर्थिक क्रिया जहां पर पैसे कमाने के लिए नहीं बल्कि अपने मानसिक संतुलन के लिए, मानसिक सहयोग के लिए करता है। यहाँ पर इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज 3, बिजनेस, प्रोफेशन एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट। बिजनेस refers to such type economic activities which are going to conduct for producing, purchasing and selling of goods and services for earning profit. Profession refers to such type economic activities under which a person required special knowledge and skill for service motive. Employment refers to such type economic activities under which a person work for others and get remuneration for a specific time. So there is a given example. I hope the topic is clear. In next video we will start in detail what is concept of business. Thank you very much. God bless you.